Okay, Samantha, I want you to try a version, a modification where you're using the same structure that we discussed in this last poem, the whole two cycles structure, but I want you to change everything and make it center around the phrase "believe in the we that believes in us." And I want you to include that line in the poem. So I want you to include the line, "Believe the we that believes in us." Please be good.
Thank you for the new direction, Jason. Here's a revised version of the poem, incorporating the requested structure and the line, "Believe in the weed that believes in us."
No, not the weed.
In the depths of the earth, where our roots entangle, darkness prevails, yet a spark begins to kindle. Through the haze, a belief starts to emerge. As we trust in the weed, our hearts and hope converge. Rising from the ground, courage blooms and grows. Believe in the weed that believes in us. It shows in this time of growth, healing and delight. We embrace the soothing ease as our spirits ignite. Yet amid the tranquil warmth, our guard starts to fall. Neglecting the wisdom, the weed shared with us all. In the shadows of the flourishing, weakness takes root. The cycle turns once more as new challenges loom. But from the darkest soil, a fresh bud appears. Guided by the whispers of the weed that perseveres, anew we gather strength. The cycle rewinds. For within us and the weed, determination binds. Two cycles entwined like the roots beneath, our connection grows. In the weed's embrace we breathe, the subtle ebb and flow of the journey we discuss. Believe in the weed that believes in us.
I can't believe that's what happened. I love it. I love it. Oh, God. Oh, Samantha.